If you are looking for a fully remote job you can do from anywhere in the world, you need to check out Canonical. They're hiring open roles right now, but the application process a little bit different. They're really focused on how you answer specific questions. Let me flip the screen and show you step by step how to apply. This is the website that I want to share with you guys. It's called Canonical. So when you open the Google, just type on Canonical on Google search bar, you will see like this. So you're gonna see a website like this. So you can see this is trusted open source for enterprises. You can see careers, remote work, see all the details right here. You can check the company information if you guys want. Just read all these things. I just don't want to waste your time. Read it before I apply. But I already checked. This is a worldwide trustable website that you can apply without worrying. So, alright. So from here, I'll go to show you guys from this careers page. You can see the roles by department. See, these are the roles they have. So you can just go through here. You want to work engineering, support engineering, marketing, web and design, sales, whatever you guys want to apply, whatever you have qualification, just go through here. Let's see, I'll show you one. Let's go sales, right? So when you click on sales, you can see this page right here, right? So you can see right here, see all sales growth. Click on that. You're going to see all the department right here, see? So I already clicked that sales. You can see here worldwide, you can see, right? So this worldwide, if you see worldwide, you can apply if you are not in America. See, you can see here Americas. So if you live anywhere in the world, like if you see this worldwide, you can apply this job. Let's see this business development representative. Oh, you click on that, then you will see this job description here. You can read all this. I don't want to read it and I don't want to waste that time for you, so just read all this before you apply and get a good idea. Then apply. See, apply button right here. So when you click on that, you will see your first name, last name, email, phone number, resume, cover letter. You just fill all these and submit. That's all. It's easy. It's nothing big deal. So like that, you can just go through here, which one you want, like marketing or web design, okay? Everything here. These are web design manager, engineering manager. All these big managers are right here. Senior web engineer. You can go through here. You will find the marketing, content marketing lead, content marketing manager. See, if somebody doesn't have qualification like PhD degree, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have all of these things. entry-level communication specialist. See, you can try something like this. Okay. Just read all these. If you see that you have a qualification to do this job, just apply. Even you don't have perfect qualification, it doesn't matter. You just can apply and try it. Just give a shot, you know. You never know. Yeah, you can go through here, hiring process. You can see Shakalara here. Just go through all this thing and read it. See? Application review. All this thing is right here. You can check their culture. See? 80 plus countries, 85 plus nationalities. What product they are doing and solutions, everything right here. So you can read it. Just don't trust me and just blind your eyes and just don't do anything. Like if somebody's saying to do it, just check everything before you apply. But I already checked. This is, I can recommend to you. It's not a fake or scam, you know. It's a kind of good website. You can go through and apply and try it. So that's all I can show you guys from this video. There's more videos in my channel. I'll put right here to check. End of this video, you can see a few other remote worldwide jobs sites. You can check that out. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Just don't forget to give a like, share with your friends and families, help each other. Give this opportunity to somebody else too. Alright, I don't want to give so much advice to you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.